I remember in the early 90s when I started out on my isiZulu journey here in South Africa, I learned about this mythical creature. You all have heard of him, called uDokolosh. So what I learned was that uDokolosh, what he does, and the reason why people are so scared of this mythical creature, thinking that he actually exists, is when he gets you in isiZulu, we say uDokolosh uyakuthonya, which means when this little mythical creature of the uDokolosh gets you, he hypnotizes you. That's the meaning of the word ukuthonya. So he hypnotizes you, and after that he does something terrible. In isiZulu, the word is uyakutwiya, and to twiya is to cut off limbs of your body that will then be used for other purposes. Okay, so uDokolosh uyakuthonya bese uyatwiya izitho zakho zomzimba. He cuts off limbs of your body that he's going to use further, or he's going to take it to those who sent him. This mythical figure of uDokolosh. So the reason I'm mentioning uDokolosh to you is many of you listening to me now have been hypnotized. You've been hypnotized to think that when you speak good English and you're able to verbalize in a good British accent your thoughts, then ufundile, you are learned. Ufundile ngoba uyakwazi ukugwitiza, uyakwazi ukuvetheza. I like isiZulu so much because they have specific words for those who think that they are learned and they are so great when they're able to speak the colonial language. Bathi uzemtiti, labo bayavetheza, bayagwitiza. You have been hypnotized to think that you are more civilized, you are more learned when you are able to speak properly. Listen, why can't we put all of this into the vernacular? Why can't we put everything, technology, everything of science, every sphere of life, why can't we put it into the vernacular? Yini ndaba singakwazi ukwenza noma yini, noma umuphi umkhakha wempilo ngesintu? Kuyini lento evimbayo ukuthi singakwazi ukwenza lokho? What is that keeping us from living our lives completely in the vernacular? I remember listening to Mr. Jacob Zuma not too long ago. He was giving a speech in front of people. Of course, he was speaking isiZulu to them. And then he said, niyabona khona lawa mazwi amakhulu olimini lwesilungu. And then he said, nami angazi ukuthi achaza ukuthini lawo mazwi. And then he said, the balance of forces, the balance of forces. He said, nami angazi ukuthi uchaza ukuthini. So what's the story? Mtaka Ngqamalala said he doesn't understand it. So what is the problem? Why do we always think it has to be, when you speak English, oh, you are such a learned person? Why not the other way around? Why not the other way around? Just say, lalelani, sengiyakwazi ukukhuluma ulimi lwakho. I already know how to speak your language. Cela ukuthi uzame nawe ukuthi ukhuluma lwami. Why? What is it in our hearts that we think that life cannot be lived in the mother tongue? That's what I want to know from you. If you have an answer, give it to me. Ngizothanda ukuthi ngizwe. And in the meantime, start thinking about this. Olwethu ulimi, izilimi zethu zingahamba phambili nazo, kodwa inkinga ingqondo zabantu, ingqondo zabo bacabanga ukuthi ulimi lwangale lungcono kunolwethu. Not good. Come on. Ithi sivuselele ulimi lwebele bakwethu.